Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Motorola fan, today we've got something exciting, the upcoming Moto Edge 70. Motorola has been on fire with its Edge series, and the Edge 70 looks like it's bringing some killer upgrades. Let's break down everything we know so far. The Edge 70 is expected to feature a sleeker, flat display design, which is a shift from the previous curved look. Leaks suggest a 6.7-inch OLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for gamers and binge watchers. And yes, thinner bezels and a premium glass metal finish are in the works. Under the hood, the Edge 70 is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chip, paired with up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Out of the box, it should run Android 15 with MyUX skin, promising a clean and fast user experience. Expect Motorola's signature ready for desktop mode to get even better. Cameras are also getting a serious boost. Rumors point to a 50-megapixel OIS main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide with macro support, and a telephoto zoom lens. Motorola seems focused on competing directly with Samsung and Google in the camera game this year. Powering the device, we're looking at a 5,000 mAh battery with 125-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. That means you can get a full day's power in just minutes. So that's everything we know so far about the Moto Edge 70. If Motorola nails the pricing in the US, this could be one of the best flagship alternatives in 2025. What do you guys think? Will the Edge 70 be your next upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.